Hey guys, this is Warren with KLGadgetTV and I'm here at Samsung's booth in CES 2020 checking out the Galaxy Note 10 Lite. This is a really nice one, to be honest. They definitely do not look like budget versions of their flagships. As a comparison, I brought my Galaxy Note 10 Plus here to do a quick comparison with you guys. So if you look at it, there's no curved edges on the screen anymore, which some people might actually like it because some people don't really like the curved edges of the Note 10 Plus screen. And in terms of footprint, if you look at it, it's pretty much the same size. The Note 10 Plus has a 6.8-inch screen, whereas the Note 10 Lite has a 6.7-inch screen with a full HD plus resolution. So if I look at it side by side, I really can't notice the screen resolution and colors. They look the same. They look pretty much the same. They look really great when you see it in person. All right, so one of the things that Samsung has to make this device cheaper is to actually compromise the build quality a bit. So the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is built with metal and glass. However, the Note 10 Lite is made with plastic, as you can see. So this is a comparison of how the plastic and the glass looks like. They're still fingerprint magnets, unfortunately. So you do find 3 cameras on the back. These 3 cameras are all 12 megapixel cameras, which is great. So let me just put away my Note 10 Plus for a bit and we are going to talk more about the Note 10 Lite. So as usual, the Note 10 Lite will come with a stylus. So the silver color model that I have here will come with this blue color S Pen stylus that will work. So apparently this doesn't have the gestures. When you tap on it, you will still get all the air gesture commands. There's the air command menu, that is great, but it doesn't have the gestures that the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus has. All right, so let's jump into the camera itself. All right, so the camera, as I mentioned, there are 3 12 megapixel cameras on the back. That's the wide angle camera. It's a dual pixel camera, by the way, so it will work great when it is in low light, but it lacks the variable aperture that is found on the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. So you do also get a telephoto lens and an ultra wide angle lens. So I do see that the picture quality here is actually pretty good, to be honest. It looks like Samsung has just put on really great sensors there to not compromise too much on a budget version of the Note 10. All right, so the stylus goes through the bottom, and yay, there's a headphone jack. Look at that. There is a headphone jack at the bottom, which the Note 10 Plus doesn't have it. So that's a good thing. If you want the latest Note and you want a headphone jack, this is it. So in terms of specs, it's not too shabby at all. Even though it doesn't have the Note 10 Plus's latest SoC, it still uses the Note 9's Exynos 9810 SoC along with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. And it also supports storage expansion. There's the SIM slot over there. Yep, you could expand the storage if you think 128 gigs is not enough. Alright, so that's a pretty quick look at the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite over at Samsung's booth in CES 2020. Stay tuned for more CES coverage coming up at KLGadgetTV. Subscribe to us, hit that bell notification icon right at the bottom to stay tuned to our uploads on the channel. That's it for now, and I'll see you in the next video.